Good day mga kalibgod. Sa video ito ay papakita ko kung paano mag-pay ng membership, monthly membership natin using credit wallet. So after ka mag-login, dito ka na sa homepage mo, kita mo dito yung sa section na to, yung my membership. So click mo lang yan, then may nakalagay dito na congratulations on being a member of LiveGood. Kasi yung billing date ko is every 10th of each month, pero yung month of September ko is unpaid pa siya. September 8 pa lang ngayon, so mayroon pa akong 2 days before siya mag-bill. So pwede ko na siyang i-pay in advance using credit wallet. So dito, mayroon dito nakalagay na would you like to save 20% off of your month of your membership for the next year and upgrade to our yearly membership. Kasi pag binayaran mo siya ng 1 year, discounted ka ng 20% off or free siya ng 2 months. So kung bayaran ko to using yearly membership, yung next bill date ko is 2024 na, 1 year. Pero dito muna tayo sa monthly membership, or mabayaran ko yung month of September. So click natin to, then you already have a LiveGood membership in your cart. So kasi na-click ko to kanina, so dito ka sa mayroong push cart na icon, click mo yan, punta ka sa cart, nakita mo dito kung ano yung mga products na select mo. Ang selected natin is yung monthly membership na 9.95. So check out natin to, then pupunta ka sa payment options. So meron siyang payment type, may drop down dito, pipili ka lang kung bayaran mo siya using credit card, cryptocurrency, or credit wallet. Since ang topic natin ngayon is using credit wallet, so choose natin to, then check mo dito kung ano yung babayaran mo. Monthly membership, tama siya, 9.95, isang month. Then yung user info, sino, anong account. Since akin to, so tama naman yung username niya. Then ito may nakalagay, pay with credit wallet. So use your $100.03 credit to pay for your order, meaning may laman pa yung credit wallet ko na 100.3. Then itong shipping info, naka default lang to kasi pag order ka ng product, kailangan ito ng shipping address. So yung babayaran natin is monthly membership lang, so tingin mo lang sa baba, then check mo to, yung agree ka, then you place an order, click mo to. So nakalagay siya, success, thank you for your order from LiveGood and congratulations on being a LiveGood member. You ordered 1 monthly membership. We're excited for you to receive your order and use your products. Ito kasi naka-default to na message pag order ka ng product. So thank you for your order, your LiveGood products on the way. So ito yung message na lalabas pag order ka ng product. Pero since nasa option ng products yung monthly membership, kaya same lang yung message na lumabas. Continue lang natin, then check natin ulit dito, balik tayo sa my membership. So yung nakalagay na dito is you have paid your membership for the following month, September. Bakit may nakalagay dito for the following month? Kasi pwede ka ulit magbayad ng another one. For example, October, pwede ulit ako magbayad advance. Pero hindi na dito. Wala nang option dito. Dito tayo sa my earnings ng babayad using credit wallet. And by the way, pwede pa rin tayo mag-upgrade to a yearly membership of 99.95 na mayroon siyang 20% off or 2 months free. Tapos yung billing date natin is October 10, 2024 na. 2024. Wag mong i-click tong cancel my membership. Skip mo yan. Ignore mo yan. So, papakita ko lang din paano mag-pay using my earnings. So, dito ka sa my earnings. And then, lalabas dito yung credit wallet button. So, click mo yan. So, yung 100 kanina na credit wallet funds ko is na deduct mo yung 9.95. So, ito na lang yung natira, 90.08. Now, makikita mo tong transfer to earnings. Wag mo i-click yan kasi napupunta yung credit wallet funds mo back to my earnings, kung saan papachoose ka rin uli ng company kung saan ka gusto mag cash out, sa credit wallet ba or sa global e-wallet mo o papunta sa bank account mo. So wag mong gagalawin yan kasi nandito ka na, nakaset na to credit wallet yung earnings mo or yung commissions mo. Then sa baba, ito yung steps niya. Nasa step 1 tayo. Select user and credit card type. So pwedeng leave good ID yung ilagay mo dito or username. Kung alam mo naman yung username, dito ka na, mas madali itong username kasi may verification naman after kung sino ba talaga may-ari. Hindi mo naman alam yung username, so leave good ID, especially kung mag-pay ka ng membership, affiliate membership. So leave good ID. So since sarili ko yung babayaran ko, so select ko yung username ko. Then sa baba mayroon drop down menu dito. Pwede kang mag-transfer credit papunta dito sa username nilagay mo, or pay for monthly for membership, order product or pay for membership. So continue natin to. Then scroll ka lang pababa, nakikita mo yung mga products na gustong bumili. Pwede dyan mag-choose ka ng isa. For example, ito, nandiyan yung mga prices nya. Pero yung topic natin ngayon is for monthly membership. So ito sa baba, membership section. So monthly membership, choose mo yung 1 month, then continue. Then after mag-continue, punta na tayo sa step 3 or confirmation. Check mo ulit yung username. Nakita mo dito yung name saka last name ng user na babayaran mo or affiliate babayaran mo na membership, monthly membership. So ito yun, monthly membership. Tama naman lahat. So after mo ma-verify na tama at yung description and amount, click mo tong issue credit. Pero hindi ko muna i-click to kasi sa ako na babayaran yung month of October ko. So the same pa rin to, lalabas doon success. Ito yun, So paid na yung September ko. So yun lang muna, and sa next videos natin marami pa tayong ibang tutorials na itatakol dito sa Live Good dashboard natin. So salamat po, and have a good day mga ka-Live Good.